Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to learn basic concept of orthographic. Actually, when I was teaching in school, I've realized that few people are not understanding orthographic that well. So for them, I'm just simplifying it. Let's say if we have this object, right? So first of all, you have to always see X. X is the direction from where observer is watching. So you imagine that you are standing here. So when you see from here, right, whatever you will see perpendicular to this surface, so that will be front view. So this is front view. So when you draw, this is front view. Then imagine that you are going on the top. And if you see from the top, right, this is top view. This is front view. So when you see from the top, this is what you see. So that you will draw here. That is top view. And this remaining part, imagine now this is your left side, right? Left hand. So this is your left hand side view, which in first angle comes on right hand side. So it will be this way, left hand side view. So this is generally we draw. This is 3D, this is 2D. We are drawing orthographic. Now remember one thing, how to go about this layout. So first you draw horizontal line, then whatever length you have, you mark that length and you draw vertical line. So if I name, let's take this length is 50, height is 10, and width is 30. So I will take length 50, height is 10. Now it's a general practice. Normally everyone follows that we take 20 mm below front view and then we start with top view. So this line is actually this line. See, the one which I've done is this line. Now I will go down by how much? 30. So this is how I will get top view. Then what I have to do, then I have to use 45 degree set square and I have to take 45 degree from this point, from the bottom of front view. And then I will extend this like this and I will extend wherever it will intersect from that point, I will go up. So what I'm doing, I'm drawing side view. So this is side view. So this is what we are drawing. We have converted 3D into 2D orthographic, right? Now the problem comes when you have such kind of sums. Let's say this sum. Then what you have to do? So let's take this length 50, height 30, width 30. This is 20, 10. Okay, and again, observer is watching it from here. See, right now I'm going to draw only front view, top view, and left hand side view because I want you to be comfortable with one side view and then we will do right hand side view. But right now we are focusing on left hand side view only. So again, observer is watching it from here. So imagine you are standing here. When you see from here, what do you see? You see this part. How much is the length? 50. So you will draw 50. Then you see total height is how much? See, we don't see only this height. We see total height. So total height is 30. So I will take 30. So if you see, I'm drawing light box. Then again, I will leave 20. If you want to leave, you can leave 10, whatever you want. Then again, how much is this width? 30. So I will take 30. Then again, I'll draw 45 degree. I'm drawing first angle right now. So don't get confused with other angle right now. I'm just doing first angle and we got side view. So we just got layout of this. If you see the first sum is prepare the box, layout, how you draw layout for this. And in this answer is also the same because it's a plain box, but this is not a plain box, right? So what you need to do, you need to draw layout. So this you need to remember, you draw light and now you draw dark. In the sense, in front view, what do you see? You see this. So you draw this way. Now when you see from the top, what do you see? You will see two parts, X and Y. See, this part is 30 by 20. So from here, this is 30, this is 20. So this is how you will get dark line. So whenever you see dark line, that means what? It's different. So these two are different part. Otherwise, I can't draw top view of this like this. Why? Because there is a line in between. So what that line indicates? That line indicates that there is a change in level. This is up, this is down, that we can make out from front view. From top view, we can't make out, right? From top view, we can't see height. So from top view, X and Y will appear like this in one plane. But when you see it front view, that time you know that X is here and Y is here. So that's how it helps. So this is top view. Now, if I want to draw side view, I'll see from the left side. I'll get this, so that you can project from here. So we'll get this part. So this is left hand side. This is front view, top view, and left hand side. Let's take one more sum in this only. I think I can fit here. Okay. Length is 50, width is 30, this is 10, this is 20, 20. This is very basic orthographic. So if you know, then you can skip this video. But this is only for those people who have just started new and they are not getting it and they just still want to brush up their concept. So let's take this object. So how much is the length? 50. So I will draw 50. Ignore this, okay? How much is this height? 30. So I have done the box. Then width is how much? 30. Again, I will leave 20 and I'll draw 30. Then I'll draw 45 degree. I'll extend, right? I'll draw 45 from here and I'll extend till here. Wherever it will intersect, from there you go up. So this is what you'll get: front view, top view, and side view. This is how you will get this box. Now, if I want to draw in front view, what I'll see in front view? I'll see this part and this part. See, what is the difference in this sum and this sum? If you see in this, the entire thing is 1 unit. In this, there are 2 units, 1 and 2. So 50 by 10. So I will draw 50 by 10. Then how much is this height? 20, 20. So this is 20, this is 20, and I'll go down. So this is what I will get in front view. To see the difference in this front view and this front view, this and this, there is a dark line over here. That indicates there is a change in level, right? Now we'll see top view. When you see from the top, you'll see this part, right? 20 by 10. So where this will come, I'll just draw this line. Now I need to decide whether it will come here, in the middle, or here. We don't know. But when I see from here, this is away from me. This is very far from me, right? So this corner is here. So that 20 by 10 will come here. Got it? I don't know whether I have this. Ignore. This top view. This is how it will come. Why? Because this part is away from me. So that's why it is like this. Now, few people, they will ask me, sir, if the object is like this, I'm just drawing top view in this. Huh? So in that, how it will come? It will come here. This is front view and this top view. I'm talking about this sum. So what is the difference in this sum and this sum? In this part is nearer to us. In this sum, it is away. In this, it is near. So that's why it came like this. This is top view. So we are doing this sum. So I just gave you an example that in which case it will come down. It won't come in the middle. Why? Because if it has to be in the middle, then it would be like this. This one, if you want top view, this answer, if you want, then it should be this way. It should be in the middle, but this is at the extreme and away from you. That's why it will be like this. Now, when we'll draw side view, we see this and this. So that will come here in this part. We project from here. See, we automatically got this at the extreme left side. And if you see this way also, observer is here. So it is away from observer. So this you need to keep in mind. And if possible, do this three sums again and again. So you'll get the hang of it, how to draw this 45-degree. Now, many people, they don't know this, why we are taking this 45. See, the idea behind this 45 is what? When you take this 45, this is also 45, this is 90. That means these two sides are same. So when you draw 45, this side is equal to this side. So that means I don't have to take 30 again. See, anyway, I'm not taking height again. 10, I'm just taking it directly from front view. And width, I'm taking directly from top view. So this 45 helps there. So that's why we take 45. So when you take 45-degree, this side is equal to this side, right? So that's why we take 45-degree. I hope this basic everyone understood. If you have any query, you can let me know. Thank you.